Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with Word open and the cursor exactly where you want the emoji. Use the Windows shortcut Win+, or on Mac use Control plus Command plus space to pop open the emoji picker. This is faster than menus. Once opened, the panel gives categories and a search field, so you can type a keyword to find the glyph. Make sure your font supports emoji. Seago UI emoji or Apple Color emoji displays colored icons. Now insert the first emoji. You're on your way. Once the panel is visible, type a clear keyword such as smile, thumb, or heart to narrow results quickly. You'll see variants, select skin tones or gender options where relevant. These modify the Unicode sequence so the result matches your intent. After inserting, treat the emoji like text. Change font size to scale it, or use Edit Replace to swap typed shortcuts with emoji across the document. Make sure to preview printing and export to PDF, because emoji rendering can differ between formats. To finish, review the document in print layout and export to PDF to verify how emoji render for readers. If you see empty boxes or missing glyphs, that indicates a font or OS gap. Switch the emoji character to Seago UI emoji, update Office or your operating system, and then reinsert. For precise control, open Insert symbol, type the Unicode code point like U plus 1F600, and insert the character directly. If problems persist, restart Word after updating fonts and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.